Hi guys, my name is Zoran and today I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 a month as a beginner. Now for this method you don't need any special skills, you don't need any special knowledge, you don't need any expensive softwares. It is a worldwide, but it takes some work. So if you're not willing to invest work, then this method is probably not for you. And if you stay with me to the end of the video, I will actually show you some free softwares that you can use, and I will show you how to find clients for free. But before we begin, if you're into making money online and internet marketing, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you get notifications when I upload new videos. Okay, let me just jump in my computer and we are going to start. When you go on YouTube and type something like how to make money online as a beginner, you will see that all of these videos have thumbnails, and that is because people who are doing internet marketing and make money online understand that most of the people who are watching YouTube are actually watching YouTube videos on their cell phones, and on cell phones thumbnails are more important than titles. That's why they all use thumbnails. And when you go on Fiverr and type YouTube thumbnail, you will see that lots of people actually offer to make thumbnails, YouTube thumbnails, for $5, for $10, for $15 for you. And that means that there is a huge demand for this kind of service. And you're probably thinking, well, I don't know how to use Photoshop, I'm not a graphic designer. Well, you don't have to be. You can go on a website called PicMaker. And as you can see, they have lots of very good YouTube templates. And when you go on YouTube and when you go on Fiverr, you will see that those thumbnails are very similar to these PicMaker templates. And you can actually change this text, you can change text style, you can change this image, you can change background. I will not go in depth with this because it is very simple. You will figure it out by yourself in 5 minutes. Plus there is lots of PicMaker tutorials on YouTube. And you are probably thinking now, well, how do I find clients? Well, when you go on YouTube, go back on YouTube and type something like, for example, gardening. You will see that actually not many videos has a thumbnail. That is because these people are not internet marketers and they don't understand that good thumbnail can significantly improve their click-through rate. And when you actually go, let's say, on one of these videos, okay, let's go on this one and go on their channel, on the videos, and as you can see, none of their videos actually have a thumbnail. Go on About and then View Email. I'm not a robot. And this is their contact email. Now what you have to do, you need to contact them and offer to make 5 thumbnails for free for them. You will need less than an hour to make those 5 thumbnails. And if they like it, they will actually contact you back asking you how can they get more thumbnails. And then you send them to your Fiverr gig. If you are a beginner and you just start making money online, then it is the best thing to send people on your Fiverr gig. But when you get more experience and when you get more clients, then it is best to actually make your own website, because when you send people on your Fiverr gig and when they land on Fiverr, there is a big chance that they will actually search Fiverr to see are there any better gigs for their service. So it is best that you actually make your own website when you get more clients. So that is how you make $1,000 a month on Fiverr. That's it for today, guys. See you next time.